Penis extenders are clinically proven to increase length, with studies showing average gains of 1 to 2 inches when used correctly. Today, I'll share the essential techniques to maximize your results with these powerful devices. Proper preparation is the foundation of success. Always begin with a 5-minute warm-up using a heating pad or warm towel to increase blood flow and tissue elasticity. This simple step dramatically improves comfort and results. When applying the extender, position the base firmly against your pubic bone, then secure your penis with the support strap or noose. The key is finding the perfect balance, tight enough to maintain position but never causing discomfort or restricting circulation. For tension settings, patience is crucial. Begin with the minimum tension for the first 2 weeks, focusing on building wearing time rather than maximum stretch. Gradually increase tension only after your tissues have adapted to regular wearing. Your wearing schedule should start conservatively, just 1 to 2 hours daily for the first week. Systematically build up to 4 to 6 hours daily over several weeks. This gradual progression trains your tissues to respond positively to the stretching stimulus. Throughout your session, pay attention to how your body responds. Mild stretching sensation is normal, but any pain, numbness, or discoloration signals improper fit or excessive tension. Make adjustments immediately if these warning signs appear. Take regular breaks during longer sessions. Removing the device for 5–10 minutes every 2 hours allows blood circulation to normalize. These recovery periods are actually when growth occurs, as tissues heal and adapt. Consistency is the ultimate key to success. Short daily sessions over months produce far better results than occasional marathon sessions. Most users begin seeing noticeable changes after 2 to 3 months of dedicated use. Remember, penis enlargement is a gradual transformation that rewards patience and proper technique. With consistent application of these principles, your extender can deliver the impressive, permanent results you're seeking.